My name is Adrian Reese. I'm with Reese Trades. And I wanted to talk to you guys for a brief moment just to kind of give you a reason of why I'm doing this. I've been asked many times, hey man, why don't you explain why you're doing this? What is it in it? What's in it for you? What's out there for you? Who are you trying to reach? A lot of times we misconstrue presentations that come from these guys that are on YouTube or Instagram, and we look to them as gurus or soothsayers or seekers of the or providers of the truth, when in fact it's not necessarily that. It's about a lot of things. One of those things it's about is us. Okay, I'm not a Wall Street guru. Was I a former broker? Yeah, in a past life. I do trade. I do other things as well. I'm diversified, but that's not why I'm here. I'm discussing this with you for two reasons. When I started Reese Trades, I only had one goal in mind. Not to talk to Wall Street, but to talk to Main Street. And Main Street is you, it's me, it's those guys that aren't sitting on $5 million, $10 million, $2 million, that have, slush funds or mommy's bank accounts and things like that. There's nothing wrong with that. You're blessed, you're in a blessed position if you can do that. But I'm not here for that. I'm here for everybody that isn't a part of that already pre-structured life or society. When you look at the economic numbers and employment situation, yeah, it says, we are, at 4.9% over the, past couple of years and things like that. Unemployment's down, overall. But let's look at these numbers. Let's break down these numbers, man. Out of the 4.6% of adult men, 4.3% of adult women, teenagers who are going to be the next men and women of this society, 15.6%. Whites at 4.3%. Blacks or African Americans at 8.6%. Asians at 3.4%. There really hasn't been a change, according to the documentation that's out there by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. There really hasn't been a change since 2015. Jobs are dwindling. Income is dwindling. Opportunities are dwindling. They're fading out. I'm not against present administration or past administration. We're not here to discuss politics. We're just talking about the numbers. Every day we always hear about people who are offering work from home jobs and things like that. But these guys are out here, companies that are taking advantage of people that are looking for opportunities to work from home, because people that are looking to work from home really never know what to do. So let's figure this. If somebody says to you, hey, I can make you $35 an hour in training and you pay me $25 an hour for training, they're taking your money. You're giving it to them. When in fact, you can say to them, screw you. I can earn this money on my own. I can make $45 an hour learning how to trade. You say, okay, well, where do I go? I know tons of Forex people out there, but those guys are scammers too. There are some guys that are out there scamming in the Forex space. Not all. I'm not saying that they all are, but they're scammers in every opportunity. You have to be aware. You have to know what to look for. You have to know why you're doing it, and you have to be informed. Inform yourself, okay? Inform your friends, inform your family. Open your eyes and read something as it pertains to what it is that you're trying to do. Foreign exchange has been on Scam Radar Watch for years. Since 2008, the numbers are there that show that information. But guess what? I'm not here to talk against Forex. Forex is a great way to make money. Trading is a great way to make money. I'm not here to talk about what these things are, who they are, and why they are. I'm here to talk about what I'm doing here. What I'm doing here for you, what I want to do for you. And all I really want to do is educate, man. I mean, if I made it an ethnical thing and say, okay, well, African Americans are subjugated to more, scrutiny than, other races or things like that. That's not why I'm here. I'm not on that pitch. I'm just here to talk about the numbers, okay? We can say, okay, yeah, well, the 13th Amendment movie came out. It talks about how to go from slavery to imprisonment. Yeah, that's all fun, and that's it's not fun, but that's all well and good, and that may be factual, but that has nothing to do with what you need to do to make income for yourself and provide for your family. Okay, the truth of the matter is child support affects a lot of men across a lot of races. Okay, single fathers who are behind on their income, who are losing money because they can't afford to pay for the children that they have because of job loss or prison records or things like that. They need a way to supplement their income so they don't end out on the street. They need a way to take care of themselves and their children and provide a nest egg in the future for their families. Same thing with single mothers. Single mothers are out here. They're all families don't work out, and situations don't always happen, the way we want them to. The statistics show that there are at least 12 million single parent families in the United States as of 2015. Welfare reform is keeping single moms from getting ahead. It's keeping people poor. It's time to come out of that. It's time to step up and learn something that's going to take advantage of what's in front of you right now. And to be honest with you, trading is it. Don't sit on the steps watching it all happen, watching it all pass by. That person that's sitting next to you that may say, hey, you know what? I'm going to take a chance. I'm going to try to learn this. I'm going to try to follow what these guys are talking about. They're not asking for my money, because we're not here for your money. We're not asking for your money because we know how to make our own. And all we want to do is show you how to make your own. Okay? If you have any questions, if you want to reach out, if you want to have a conversation, if you want to meet up and you're the Atlanta or South Florida area, look us up. We're on Reese Trades. We're on Yahoo. We're on YouTube. We're on Twitter, and we're on Instagram. Reach out to us. Follow us. See what we're about. See what we're not about. All we want to do is give you real information for real traders, and talk to you by real traders. And again, we're not gurus. We're not Wall Street executives. We're not even VPs of other things that you may think of. All we want to do is inform you as an individual of the opportunities that are available for you. Don't forget to check us out on Twitter, our YouTube channel, and Instagram.